Uploading a video on YouTube is easy, but uploading it in the right way, that's what makes the algorithm push your video. Today I will show you the exact step-by-step methods I use to upload a video that get more views, higher ranking, and better RPM. Before you upload a video, name your file correctly instead of video final v3.mp4. Use best way to upload YouTube video 2025. Yes, this helps with initial indexing. Upload at the right time. Best time to upload 2 to 4 hours before your audience is most active. Check this in YouTube Studio Audience. This gives YouTube time to process and test your video. Title, your most important SEO weapon. Your title decides whether people click or ignore your video. Use this formula: main keyword plus benefit plus curiosity. Bad title, have to upload video. Good title, the best way to upload a video on YouTube. Get more views. Rules: put your main keyword first. Keep it under 60% character. Avoid lies. YouTube punishes that. Description, rank fast in search. Your description is not for people. It's for YouTube algorithm. Line or first 2 lines most important. Repeat your main keyword naturally. Like, this video shows the best way to upload video on YouTube, step by step to get more views, ranking, and RPM. Description structure. The first paragraph should what the video is about. The second paragraph, who it's for. The third paragraph, extra keywords and related topics. Don't spam keywords. Write like human. Optimize like a pro. Thumbnail, get the click. Thumbnail comparison. No click, no views, period. Perfect thumbnail rules. 1 clear idea, big readable text, 2 to 4 words, high contrast colors, show emotion or results. Example, upload this way. Stop doing this. Your thumbnail should be create curiosity, not explain everything. Playlist audience setting. Always add your video to a playlist. Why? This is increase session time. YouTube love that. Audience. Select no, it's not made for kids, unless it's released. This unlock comments, ads, and better distribution. End screen cards. If viewers leave, your video dies. Added end screen to another video and the screen playlist. 1 card around 40 to 60%. Keep viewers on your channel. This post your entire channel. Final secret after you publish. Most creators stop here. This is a big mistake. After publishing, share in the first 30 minutes. Reply to every comment. Pin a comment with keywords. Don't edit title for 24 hours. YouTube watches how people react in the first hour.